museum was before it was our beloved museum. A railway station, yeah, you're absolutely right. It was a railway station, but it wasn't just any railway station. It was the first intercity mob. This was a goods shed. It's where the trains would come in to be loaded and offloaded with goods that could be taken across the United Kingdom. And in those early days, it's a place where we can celebrate engines, the world-class collection of engines that were built here in the northwest of England. And the engine we're talking about is the one behind me. This is the Buxton National Engine. Now, very, very shortly, I believe we'll be turning it on. I just have to check with my colleague here. The Buxton National Engine. Now, you might have noticed some fabulous things about the Buxton National Engine. You might have noticed its lovely Art Deco colours, indicative of the decade in which it was built. You might have noticed it's the two separate segments. This is in fact two separate machines. You have the Buxton National Engine, which is a 4-stroke internal combustion engine, and that is powering the Crompton dynamo. That's this. So 4-stroke internal combustion engines use loads at the time to power dynamos because their steady movements meant that generating direct current electricity was easy. Okay, now the Buxton National Engine has a really important part to play in the history of the United Kingdom. Everybody give a drum roll, please! Drum roll, please! Here we go! The Buxton is... Buxton's on. Keep going, I'll keep talking. Okay, the Buxton National Engine has a really important part to play in the history of the United Kingdom. You see, if you wanted to power your milk, your research facility, or your factory before 1950, you need an engine like the Buxton National Engine and its relative dynamo. Because we didn't have the national grid. The national grid is what it is when we turn the electricity on in our house to get lights like magic. We didn't have that until the 1950s. Research the mines facility was to research the safety of mines, which meant that they were doing controlled explosions. Now, that meant that the facility couldn't be because the explosion, it has to go south of a place called Buxton, isolated high up in the hills, a place called Harper Hill. It then went on to become the National Health and Safety Executive. It's still there today. And the Buxton engine ran as backup power right up. You can go round and round.
It's a part of engine.
Okay, so the Buxton National Engine is 4-stroke internal combustion engine.
This is how it looks like. That's it.
Inside the cylinder, this big over there, the cylinder is the bit down at the bottom. Now, the train is an external combustion engine because the combustion, the getting bigness happens out. And so, the combustion happens in here. In the 4-strokes, the first four phases of energy transfer. The next 4 phases are production, compression, ignition,
Sige, sige, enjoy. Salamat. Salamat kayo, Lodi.
And that spins this shaft here, which spins magnets around the copper coil, which creates something called direct current electricity. And once you have that electricity, you can
Let's go that way. Wow. Oh. Very new. Hot air engine. Oh. Yeah.
Push that.
Pressure power.
Push water to all houses.
Ah. Ah, health and safety. Good here for the